Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you solution, dilute solution and colligative properties. Topic derivation of a relationship between Kb, Tb and delta H evaporation for a liquid. A pure liquid is considered at its boiling point Tb. Its vapor pressure would be equal to external pressure P naught is equal to P external at temperature Tb. Let us consider a non-volatile solute dissolved in the liquid. When the solution reached temperature Tb, the vapor pressure of the system would be less than the external pressure. When the solution is heated further and it reaches its boiling point T naught B, the vapor pressure of the solution would be equal to P external, which is equal to the P naught of the pure liquid and its boiling point, since vapor pressure of the system are the Kp for the respective equilibrium. Log Kp T2 upon Kp T1 is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Want a factor relations on page number 1. On page number 2, it can be restated for the vapor pressure. Log P naught upon P is equal to delta H evaporation divided by R bracket 1 upon Tb minus 1 upon Tb star bracket close Clausius-Clapeyron relations. Log P naught upon P is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb T star B bracket close. Assuming the solution be highly dilute, T star B would be very close to T star B. Log P naught upon P is equal to delta H evaporation upon R is equal to delta Tb upon Tb square is equal to minus log P upon P naught is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close is equal to minus log bracket 1 minus P naught minus P upon P naught bracket में close कर दीजिएगा bracket close is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close is equal to minus log 1 minus X solute. X solute का मीनिंग हो गया P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close. Since the X solute is very small, we can make the approximation that in 1 minus X is equal to minus X. When X is very small, X solute is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close is equal to n upon small n upon plus capital N. This is a mole fraction is equal to delta H evaporation upon R delta Tb bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close. It is a dilute solution. Since ignoring the comparison to capital N upon small n upon capital N is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close on page number 2. On page number 3, small n upon capital N is equal to delta H evaporation upon capital R bracket delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close is equal to n upon W solvent upon capital M solvent is equal to delta H evaporation upon R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close is equal to small n upon W solvent is equal to delta H evaporation upon M solvent into R bracket में delta Tb upon Tb square bracket close. Multiply by 1000 on both the sides. Small n upon W solvent into 1000 into delta H evaporation upon M molecular mass of solvent into R delta Tb upon Tb square bracket में into 1000. Capital M is equal to delta H evaporation upon M solvent into R bracket में Kb into small m upon Tb square bracket close into 1000. Here M is the molarity of the solution. Kb is equal to R Tb square M solvent upon 1000 into delta H evaporation. Determination of the molecular mass from boiling point elevation. As it is known, delta Tb is equal to Kb into small m. So, if W2 gram of the solute is dissolved in W1 gram of the solvent, the molarity is defined as small m is equal to W2 upon capital M2 into 1000 upon W1. Here M2 is the molecular mass of solute. Now delta Tb is equal to Kb into W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon W1. So, or capital M2 is equal to KB into W2 into 1000 upon delta TB into W1 on page number 3. On page number 4, relation between osmotic pressure and vapor pressure. Let us aqueous dilute solution filled in a capillary tube is closed at one end by semi-permeable membrane. The tube is placed in pure solvent, say water. Entire apparatus is closed by a billy jar. At apparatus is closed by a billy jar. At osmotic pressure equilibrium, the billy jar is saturated with water vapor. At equilibrium, osmotic pressure pi becomes equal to hydrostatic pressure. Figure is given for the osmosis here. So a tube is given saturated with water vapor, and and solution is given. Pure solvent is shown in figure. Semi-permeable membrane shown in figure. Pi is equal to H into D, equation number 2. Here H is the height of the column, pi is the osmotic pressure, and D is the density of the solution. Let P naught is equal to vapor pressure of the pure solvent. P is equal to vapor pressure of the solution. Pressure of the level L1 is equal to P naught. Pressure of the level L2 is equal to P. Pressure at L1 will be greater than pressure at L2. Then P naught minus P is equal to H into D. Equation number 3, where D is the density of the solvent vapor on page number 4. On page number 5, dividing by equation number 2, equation number 3, pi upon P naught minus P is equal to H into D upon small h into capital D is equal to SH cancel is equal to small d upon capital D. At a fixed temperature, small d upon capital D is constant. Pi is the constant, bracket में P naught minus P, equation number 4, और pi directly proportional P naught minus P, bracket close, or delta P, equation number 5. The osmotic pressure is directly proportional to the lowering of the vapor pressure. We know that P naught V is equal to nRT, P naught V is equal to W by M RT, P naught M is equal to W by V into RT, or P naught M is equal to D into RT, because W by V is equal to density D. P naught is equal to RTD upon capital M. Equation number 6. Dividing equation 4 divided by 6, we get P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to pi into capital D upon small d into M upon RT into capital D. Capital D से capital D cancel. P naught minus P divided by P naught is equal to pi into M upon DRT. At fixed temperature, pi upon DRT is constant. Thus the osmotic pressure is proportional to relative lowering of the vapor pressure on page number 5. On page number 6, dissociation. Degree of dissociation from osmotic pressure, the fraction of the total number of molecules at an electrolyte present as ions in the solution is known as the degree of dissociation. Consider KCl solution. Let X be the degree of dissociation. Out of 1 gram mole, X gram mole are dissociated, so that number of undissociated moles is equal to 1 minus X. For example, KCl is equal to K positive plus Cl negative. 1 minus X, K positive X, Cl negative X. Let us take, for example, the dissociation for acetic acid in the water. When dissolved, acetic acid would dissociate as CH3COH, reversible CH3CO negative plus H positive. Initial concentration N00 at equilibrium N into 1 minus alpha, N alpha, acetate H positive, N alpha. Total number of moles at equilibrium is equal to N minus N alpha plus N alpha plus N alpha is equal to N plus N alpha is equal bracket में N common 1 plus alpha. Quanta factor is defined as the ratio of the number of moles after dissociation to the number of moles before dissolution. N bracket में 1 plus alpha divided by N is equal to I, Quanta factor. So I is equal to 1 plus alpha on page number 6. On page number 7, general case, it is the presume that 1 mole of reactant gives n moles of the product. It is the general case is considered like below. Capital A is reversible N into P, initial concentration 1, 0. At equilibrium 1 minus alpha, N alpha, then I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus N alpha divided by 1. So I is equal to 1 plus alpha bracket में N minus 1 bracket close, और alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon N minus 1. Case number 2, association. Degree of association, the fraction of the total number of molecules which combine to form bigger molecules. Consider 1 mole of the solute if X is the degree of association, and suppose 2 molecules combine to form a complex molecule, 2B is equal to reversible bracket में B नीचे 2. The number of undissociated moles is equal to 1 minus X. Then the number of associated molecules is equal to X upon 2 on page number 7. On page number 8, total number of particles is equal to 1 minus X plus X by 2 is equal to 1 minus X by 2. I is equal to observed osmotic effect upon calculated osmotic effect. I is equal to 1 minus X by 2 divided by 1. X is equal to 2 bracket में calculated osmotic pressure minus observed osmotic effect divided by calculated osmotic effect. And I is equal to calculated molecular weight upon observed molecular weight is equal to 1 minus X by 2 divided by 1. X is equal to 2 bracket में observed molecular weight minus calculate molecular weight divided by observed molecular weight. If n molecules associate to form a complex molecules, then total number of particles 1 minus X plus X upon n is equal to 1 minus X common bracket में 1 minus 1 upon n. I is equal to observed osmotic effect divided by calculate osmotic effect is equal to 1 minus X bracket में 1 minus upon small n bracket close. X is equal to n upon n minus 1 bracket में observed molecular weight minus calculate molecular weight divided by observed molecular weight. That's all.